Hello everyone, in this quick video I'll show you how to make private account on Instagram, and yes, this method will work on both iOS and Android. So just follow my steps. Before you start the video, please make sure your Instagram app is updated. So let's start the video. First, open Instagram app on your phone. Now tap on profile picture icon from the bottom right side of the screen. Now tap on three line icon. Now tap on account privacy option. Just enable this option to turn on your Instagram account, make private. But wait, please read this carefully before doing your Instagram account private. But wait, first your followers will be able to see your photos and videos. And second, this won't change who can message, tag or mention you, but you won't be able to tag people who don't follow you. And number 3, no one can reuse your content. All reels, posts or stories that previously used your content in future like remix, sequence, templates or stickers will be deleted. If you switch back to public account within 24 hours, then they will be restored. Alright? If you want to continue, then tap on switch to private, and that's it. Our Instagram account is now private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.